I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the GMAT in 1 month. First, take a full diagnostic test to pinpoint your current strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for creating a targeted study plan. Next, analyze your results carefully and prioritize the areas where you need the most improvement. Understanding the GMAT structure and question styles will also give you a significant advantage from day one. Now let's build your study routine. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours daily to each GMAT section, ensuring balanced coverage. Focus on official GMAT guides and practice questions, as these best reflect the actual exam. Don't forget to revisit foundational math concepts and grammar rules. A strong grasp of these basics is essential for tackling complex problems effectively. Consistent, focused effort will yield the best results. As you progress, integrate full-length GMAT simulations into your schedule. Always take these practice tests under strict timed conditions to build stamina and improve pacing. After each test, thoroughly review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understanding why you made a mistake is more valuable than just getting the right answer. This process refines your strategies and boosts your confidence. In your final week, shift to reviewing key concepts and formulas rather than learning new material. Prioritize getting adequate rest and maintaining a calm mindset before exam day. A well-rested mind performs best under pressure. Remember to check the description for a link to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals. Arrive early, stay focused, and trust your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.